Ki Pulit Ri-Bhoi hapo kajinglam khmat u Senior Superintendent of Police UVS Rathor uba Orville Masar Additional SP bat kakin hon Pulit minta kasni kilapin i sendan daga jinghikai hasurok National Highway 6 ha Sngew ban ai jinghikai kipat ba bat kumjuru kinongnya trong bagi dei banyat ben nakaliang kadiang jong usurok latno tang hakapor bashimpas manit chakman nakaliang ki Pulit kilapin iru lightly ki jinghikai bantip ke Ïaka Jingtrei bat ke jing bagi patba ki mat haba ki trok ki ya nakaliang kamon jong surong haba ki trok ki ya lang bat diang bat mon bat haba ki trok ki ya bet nakaliang kadiang namar karukom badai deitang haba ki trok ki ya nakadiang usurong kapapinsok ya ki kaliren banyat bet ban shimpas nakaliang kamon nakaliang ki Pulit kilabateng ye kani ke jinghikai klam dadan kuna bat lada ki patba khamtam kinonya trok kimbut kimbansi banle da kabating bat bandan kuna ben namar ki patba ki de banbut ki kendon haba ki nya kali shasuro
जैसे आप लोग जा रहे हैं ना सेम लाइन में जाएगा वो हॉर्न देके चला जाएगा ठीक है 3 नंबर में क्या होगा आपका गाड़ी ये है ना आपका गाड़ी इधर आ गया आपका गाड़ी इधर आपका गाड़ी इधर आपका गाड़ी इधर ठीक है ऐसा हो गया ना तो हम लोग का जो सिविल गाड़ी है वो ऐसे आएगा ना हॉर्न देगा आप लोग मूव नहीं करना है ऐसे ही जाओ वो आएगा ऐसे जाएगा ऐसे जाएगा ऐसे जाएगा साइड नहीं देना है आप लोग ऐसा है वैसे ही चलेगा आप समझ में आया सबको ड्राइवर कितना चाहिए हाथ तो ड्राइवर ऐसा काम अभी क्या करना है आप लोग
ini kalian kan nih speed deh itu kau
ya kayak gak kubur price pak mungkin kurang mau dia baka pemiat kali asrok pak so no bitong
cutana deh dalam itu deh bania buram markliang itu
tapi gue बारे में थोड़ा मालूम हुआ कि नहीं
ठीक है मानने के लिए
मालूम हो गया
हाँ
अभी आपका गाड़ी कौन सा लेन में चलना है
राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड
लेफ्ट साइड में आपको क्या पब्लिक रूल के बारे में
सभी रूल में अच्छा है तरीका ठीक है
तो रेस्पेक्ट करना है
हाँ ठीक है हाँ
करना है ना
हाँ
और स्पीड आपका कितना जाना है
40
dalam kapal papalat so kalian ni bade banyak kita truk jadi begini ka left makin suk kali ke ba pajba ni pajba biat minyak ni stay ka right side kan tak kata kila kit kha do kan ni ma kila ban pen takin long kintip lang ki bom tip kintip no kumno bade banyak kalian kumno apa yang ka bakila le kami
lang patay lang bakiyat ya ikan kuto lang baki terutama di lang ba kihol lang kunta abis lang ya jajay ba kamkam damit ang kakahuli lang iman rezeki mo kamkam lang ba shi yung siya niyo berbuat lang kami ang tama ang kasi ang siya niyo
ya muka dan jing sendiri kan ba semua piang no ada berkayat ni ha ya udah karat mun ngangan ya dakalap em kamai ke membekal kalak teman cross untuk kemudian mau pe ke nama bon kita bagi mau pe ke kelas B dan tak ada ba hon ka don ya kemudian minahap ai hon
a bit faster in the bit faster speed so we feel very unsafe the like movement is not that good yeah in zigzag but if they keep moving slowly then it's okay yes that's okay but they should not keep stagnant and cook on the way that is not and that how good. About Shillong police Nongpo police are doing great thank you so much Meghalaya police are the great in India okay
हमेशा ट्रक लेफ्ट साइड चलना चाहिए और जो भी स्पीड लिमिट 40 रख के चलना चाहिए इससे एक्सीडेंट कम होता है और रिभोई पुलिस जो कर रहा है बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है और आगे भी करते रहे धन्यवाद
We have been very serious about road safety since many months now, and it has started yielding us results, especially the illegal parking of trucks in Barnihat-Jorabad stretch has been resolved to a large extent. We don't see any more illegally parked trucks there, except one or two maybe due to breakdown or temporary for a few minutes, they stop. So still we are very serious about it. At the same time, we often see on NH, though the behavior has improved, but still many trucks we see driving on the right lane. So today we started this exercise with the truck drivers to brief them about the traffic rules and how they should drive on national highway. And we conducted a kind of experiment in which we made them to move in left lane first, and then right lane first, and then in a zigzag manner. And some people also came together with us. They were told to overtake the vehicles, and then after the exercise was done, we took the feedback from the truck drivers also and the car drivers also about what they felt, which was more convenient to them. So most of them, even truck drivers, admitted that when they move in left lane, it is more convenient to them because they don't have to give sides to anyone. Everyone passes through the right lane, so they don't have to maneuver the trucks, and it becomes convenient to them also, and it is as per law also. So we'll be uploading the videos for general public view shortly, and it is kind of awareness program because if I give a long speech to these truck drivers, they won't understand anything because of language barriers. Because if we bring 10-20 drivers, some of them will be Hindi speaking, some of them won't understand English, some will not understand Khasi or Garo. So the visual appeal, we believe, is more effective, and that is why we conducted this experiment along with the media personnel and our officers, so that once they see, and then they will themselves realize that driving in left lane is the best uh, option to choose and the only legal option available to them. So it will save them from unnecessary fines also. We don't want to cause any financial loss, but at the same time, road safety is non-negotiable, and we'll continue to do it.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).